Are you migrating to Atlassian Cloud and want to use multiple provider or OAuth SSO? No worries. Using the miniOrange OAuth app, you can fill this gap. In this video, we'll walk you through how miniOrange OAuth SSO works with Atlassian Guard. Let's start with configuring a new provider. For this demo, we are selecting miniOrange as the OAuth provider. Here, enter your provider details and click Save. Now, click the Test Configuration button and follow the given instructions. It will show that the configuration between the provider and the app is correct. Now go to the Guard Configuration tab. Here, find the plugin metadata details that need to be configured on the Atlassian Guard. In the Atlassian Admin Console, navigate to the SAML configuration section and fill in the metadata. Then click Next. On the next screen, copy the SP details. Go back to the miniOrange app and paste SP details and save. Now, to set up the authentication policy, let's go to the Atlassian Admin Console. In Authentication Policy, click Enable Single Sign-On, then check User is present in Member List. Go back to the app and mark it as completed. Go to Get Started. This shows your configuration is complete. As a courier access your Atlassian site, enter user email, you will be redirected to your configured provider. On the provider side, users authenticate themselves using their provider credentials. And that's it. Using miniOrange OAuth SSO, you can securely log into Atlassian Cloud through your provider. Similarly, we can add another provider from here. In addition to this, users can configure additional security features such as proof key for code exchange, issuer validation, and request parameters. In case of multiple providers, admin can customize provider selection page. And using redirection rules, users redirected to a provider based on their email domain. Thank you.